guys, it's Amazing Vinny here, and today I am gonna be, well, I think my other 2 eggs have hatched. But I'm gonna put 2 videos together, so there's gonna be a video from today and a video from tomorrow put together, because I'm gonna have to wait for tomorrow for my last egg to hatch. So this is gonna be, well, you know, quite a video. So my baby chick has hatched. Oh, cute, isn't it? So I'm just gonna randomize. Okay, let's see. Fuzzy Tiger, how to say that's a good name. Rowdy baseball bat, sunflower seeds, and then, oh, another chick. That's very good. Right, raccoon. Okay. Personality, aloof. Favorite toy, kazoo. Favorite food, bread. Okay, so I'm just gonna go and decorate them. So there's this egg here that's gonna hatch tomorrow, so yeah. So pit stop, please. Okay, let's see what. Aww, isn't it cute? I'm gonna go for this. Because oh, and then I'm gonna go. Yes. This is gotta be it. Yes, please. Okay, right. Next one. African looks so weird and funny, and then Fuzzy Tiger. Let's see what you're gonna have. I'm gonna go for this one, and oh yeah, and then maybe this. I can't see it. I can't see anything. Oh, that's actually really cute. So I'm gonna go like this. Cute, right? Okay, there we go. Yes, bye. Yes. Okay guys, so I'll see you in the next day. Well, you know, 1 second, because I'm gonna be putting the videos together, so yeah. See you in 1 second. 1 day. It's the next day. Then I said yesterday. Right, yes, so my pet crocodile has hatched. And I'm gonna randomize the name. Uber no. I'm gonna randomize it. Frosty-berry. Oh, that's a good name. Adopted Monday, April 17, 2017. Personality. I can't read that. Okay. Favorite toy, water slide. Favorite food, chowder. Okay, that just seems really weird. But okay. I'm now gonna. Oh, it's so small. But yeah, I'm gonna. So small. Okay, so here it is. Pet stop. I'm gonna see. Right. This might not be cute after you see this. I always like it like this. Oh yes, now it's not cute. I'm gonna have it like this. I like it like this. Okay, there we go. Right, okay, so yeah. That's it for this video, and I'll see you all later. Bye!